What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we are going to be talking about the avalanche coming up. What's going on, guys? For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Ryan, so welcome aboard. And for those of you who have been with me for some time, thank you so much for showing up again. Guys, today we are going to talk about the avalanche and if you should cut a hatch door to access your fuel pump easy. Let's get started into it. Guys, of course, I think it would be an awesome idea to cut a hatch door to access the fuel pump. Why? It'll be easier. You don't have to drop your fuel tank. You don't have to do anything like that. It wouldn't be a hassle. And you can always change it right on the go really quick. Get it in there and get on your way. Here's where I don't think people should do it. If you are going to cut a hatch door and you're not going to do it correctly, you're going to make it look sloppy, it's not going to look nice, don't do it. Drop your tank, do it the right way, get it in, get it out, go. If you can do it properly, make it look really stealth, make it look nice, clean it up, clean up all the metal that's exposed, don't let that rust. Really take care of it and do it the right way, then go right ahead and do it. I think it's very convenient, very easy. Just make sure you cut the hole in the right spot, because that would be the worst thing to do, is just cut your fuel tank, not cut your fuel tank, cut your floorboard or cut your truck bed, and you're in the wrong spot. So now you're just cutting a bigger hole everywhere. So just locate it, make sure that you're gonna find it in the right spot, and do that. I think it's an awesome idea. I think it's really good, and I think I will definitely do one in mine in a future video. If you guys would love to see a video like that, please leave it in the comment section below. Guys, I want to say, I know this is a really quick episode. I've been trying to make a lot of these. I'm still in New Jersey, trying to figure out everything here going on, so it's a little bit hectic, so please bear with me, guys. But I just want to say, for those of you guys who've watched the give back episode for the Cancer Survivors series, thank you so much. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it linked up here. Please click on it. So far, you know, I put a link in the description there to help donate for cancer on the GoFundMe. If you guys would like to donate to that, that would be great. I would really appreciate it. If you can't donate or just don't want to, don't worry about it. It's all good. Eventually, it'll make the goal of what I have it set for. If you can, it'd be great to do it. But if you can't, don't worry. But thank you guys so much for supporting that video and watching it. If you guys haven't seen it, again, I'll leave the link up here or in the description below for y'all. Definitely click on it and watch it. Also, share it with your friends and family. I would like to get that out there as much as it can, because whatever revenue that video makes on YouTube, it's all going to Memorial Sloan Kettering. So I'm gonna definitely donate all that in honor of Rob. He's a great guy, awesome viewer that I met. I think he's really cool. Rob is a great guy, awesome viewer. I think he's really cool. It was exciting doing that video, and I hope I can actually travel around and meet viewers and supporters of the channel. That would be so cool, where we can have one-on-ones. I can help them with their avalanche. I can help them with any of their vehicle that they have. I think that would be an awesome episode, like episodes to do series. I think it would be so cool. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for the support on that. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to cut it off, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Please make sure to like this video, boost it up to the YouTube algorithm for me, and please make sure to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. So I will see y'all next time. Peace.